How do you grab a crab? Hey. He's all in. He's all in.
Waffles! Waffles! I know. You have new friends, but...
Gary! I was literally gone for 5 minutes! The mess!
Strider!
No! No! No!
Why are you still here? Go away!
We're gonna have a picnic. Oh God.
Je pense que tu vas pas me croire, j'ai encore fait une boulette. Je te jure, j'en peux plus, je me fatigue tout seul. Dès qu'il y a moyen de faire une bourde, mon cerveau répond présent.
Chester, look at me.
Can we skip to the good part?
Get down! Stop! Stop!
Hands up!
I love you.
Kill her, Jerry. Kill her! Kill her! Ow! Ow!
Oh, everybody's coming.
Sen yanında yapsın.
Aww, you're so cute. You're mine.
Son.
The birthday hat. It's the birthday.
What is that? What is that? Did you do that? What is that? Why are you just looking at me like that? No. Nope.
What'd you do? Dumbass thought you could get out of this big ass tub. Come on. Come on.
Have y'all ever seen a dog that likes ice this much?
Fucking crackhead.
My cat realized he was on camera, so she did this.
Every time I'm in the kitchen, you in the kitchen.
No, not that one.
You look so cute.
You're a good boy. You're a good boy. You are the very best, greatest good boy ever. You are the best, greatest, most amazing, nicest, great, good boy of all time. You
know. I know.
You just unscrew the you just unscrew the little. Oh my god! A cat, please, just stop, please, please. Unscrew.
What exactly? What are you doing? What are you doing? What is... Oh god, I'm gonna pee my pants. This is so funny.
No, use both hands at the same time like this. And bounce. Yeah, no, you're still digging. No, Fendi, 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 Fendi.
Timmy, no, why? It was so peaceful. It was so calm.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I grew a Siberian Husky. I thought I was growing blueberries.
Okay. Nagagawa ka gay nila. Sasaligis ka dito.
Did you want to cuddle? Hi there, friend. I love your cuddles.
Drop it. Tell him, Kayla. Kayla, get your boy.
So this is their cat tower, right, from when they were babies. So here's Simba hiding his little hidey hole, and here's his entire ass.
Guys, check out my cat. I think there's something wrong with her though. She's been making like weird sounds. Like, come on, let's go.
Stop eating my animal crackers! Get out!
Just another day waiting for the boys to come home from school. such good girls we have, right?